Hello guys, this is Denis, the bike mechanic, and this is a setup for aluminum welding. I have a frame here and the motor got twisted in the frame. If you look closer at this washer, you see how it got opened. And take a look at the motor. The motor got damaged here as well, and the cable of course ripped off and twisted. So in order to fix this, I have this setup. All I need to do is to fix those two guys here and there so that the frame will hold the torque from the motor. Okay, let's go and do some welding. So I welded it and shaved it, and I saw some hole which I shaved a little bit deeper. So now I need to bring this portion to the level by welding just a little bit here. Again, file, and this section will be done next. So the frame got fixed. Now I can assemble the bike. So the frame was restored. Both dropouts are now good to go and assembled. And the bike has been tuned up and waiting for his owner. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That was Dennis the bike mechanic. Have a good day. Bye bye.